In this video, we will share some of the different methods in which you can attach files in Outlook, which will help you work more efficiently. From your ribbon bar, you can go to Insert, Attach File, choose from Recent Files, or if you want, you can go to Browse this PC. When you select your file, you'll see it attaches right to the email. If you click on Outlook item, you can select an email and attach that as a file. You can remove a file by right-clicking and selecting Remove Attachment. If you have documents that are saved to your desktop, another method is a simple right-click, copy, go into the email, and you can paste it right to your email. Another quick and easy method is to drag and drop a file in. So I can go to my desktop, find a file, drag it into the email, and just drop it in as an attachment. So these are all the different methods that you can attach files easily in Outlook.